Hey Nene Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a rice water hair video, hair review, how I think about it. And yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all watch and then I'll be back. So my choice of rice, I'm using jasmine rice, and you can use any rice that you would like, but I'm using jasmine rice. And then I'm going to put the rice in a half a cup, and I'm going to pour it in my little container. Now I'm just going to rinse the rice off, and I'm just going to soak it in the water, move the rice around, pour the water out, and then I'm going to put some more water in, and this time I'm going to leave it, oops, my phone dropped, but anyways, I'm just going to leave it to ferment overnight. I left it in probably like more than 24 hours, but you could put it in the refrigerator when it passes 24 hours if you like. I would probably like it to be fermented a little bit longer. I just didn't mind. So yeah, it's all up to you. Okay, hey y'all just saw me make my rice water. I let it sit for like over 24 hours. I have an empty bottle. I have the water right here, the rice water, and I'm basically gonna just scoop. Oh shoot, I'm making sure I don't spill this rice water. But everybody was talking about how it stank. It just smells like corn and rice. I felt like people was being dramatic, but I'm basically going to, if I could show y'all, I'm basically going to put the spray bottle in there, and this is what I got for right now. I'm gonna just keep doing it. So now I have my rice water right here. Y'all, look at my hair, like your girl got wet inches. But yeah, so I'm gonna put some of my hair up, and I'm gonna drench my hair with rice water. I haven't washed my hair yet. Okay y'all, my hair wasn't that detangled, but let me just tell y'all something real quick. The rice water kind of making my hair feel like I could just run my hair right through it, which is nice. Like, wait, what was you saying? That's what I'm finna start using, Monica style new stuff. What was you saying? Some people actually do this in the shower, but I didn't feel like setting up my lights and everything, like just too much. And this is how much hair shedding, not a lot. That's me detangling my hair. I'm gonna leave this on my hair for should I do an hour? I think I'm gonna do an hour. See that? Started. So yeah, see y'all on the flip side after I wash my hair and everything. And yeah. Today's subscriber shout out goes to Princess China. Yes, I'm excited for you, girl. I love to review your lashes. Your launch date is my best friend's birthday. She commented under my launch video for my lashes, you guys, and I'll be launching February 14th. Thank you, love, for showing some love. And if you would like to be featured on the subscriber shout out, make sure you comment down below and make sure your notifications are on and be consistent with the comments. Love you all. Mwah. So as you guys see, I did that. And when I washed my hair, I could tell my hair was so soft. So soft. So I noticed I needed protein. My hair was kind of, it just needs some tender love and care. And then after I did my regular moisturizing routine, because my hair in the winter especially really dry. So yeah, I was watching one YouTuber, and I'll link her down below, but she was talking about how too much protein can make your hair break off. So she said she's starting to actually wash her hair with shampoo and then conditioner, and then using like I think a moisturizing mask, and then using the rice water, which I'm actually gonna try that because my hair is really sensitive, and I don't want to mess up my hair because you already know your girl is trying to grow some hair. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, comment down below. I want to know if you've tried it. If you have, let me know down below, and don't forget to smash on that notification bell. If you're already subscribed, make sure you smash on that notification bell so you get notified. I don't have a schedule because I'm a college student. I'm just trying to let everything fit in my schedule. But yeah, so deuces.